In this video, we are going to be simplifying radicals or square roots. So let's start with a square root. Let's see. So square root of, let's say 500, and I'm going to put a variable in here. Let's say x squared, and let's say y to the third power. Okay? Now, when simplifying a square root with just numbers, what you're looking for is the largest perfect square that will go into this number. Okay, so I know that 500 is the same thing as 5 times 100. 100 is a perfect square. Now, x squared is already a perfect square, so I'm just going to keep it as is. Y to the third power, however, the largest perfect square that goes into it is y squared, and there's one y left over. So y squared times y makes y to the third power. So now I just take the square root of everything that I can, and that will come outside of the radical. Everything that is not a perfect square will remain inside. 5 is not a perfect square, so it remains inside. 100 is a perfect square. The square root of 100 is 10, so a 10 comes outside of the radical. X squared is a perfect square. The square root of x squared is x, and nothing is left inside of the x's. Square root of y squared is y, so a y comes out of the radical, and this y is left inside because y to the first power is not a perfect square. So our answer is 10xy square root of 5y.